In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Lucidchart profile picture step by step so you can update your account and make your profile look more personal and professional. This is a quick and simple change, but it can make a big difference if you use Lucidchart often for work, school, or team collaboration. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, sign into your Lucidchart account. Once you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is usually where your account settings and profile options are located. After you click it, you should see a menu appear with several options. From that menu, select Update Photo. This is the option that lets you change your Lucidchart profile picture. Now you'll be taken to the photo upload area. Here, click Upload Photo. A file browser will open so you can choose an image from your computer. Browse through your files and select the picture you want to use. For the best results, pick a clear JPG or PNG image that looks good in a small profile circle. Once you've selected your image, click Open to upload it into Lucidchart. After the image uploads, Lucidchart may ask you to crop or reposition it. This step is important because profile pictures are usually displayed in a small format, so you want the main part of the image to be centered and easy to see. If it's a headshot, make sure your face is clearly visible. If it's a logo or custom image, position it so the most important part is in the middle of the frame. Take a moment to adjust it the way you want. When everything looks good, click Save or Apply, depending on what button you see on your screen. Lucidchart will now update your profile picture and save the change to your account. To make sure it worked, go back to the main Lucidchart page and look again at the profile icon in the upper right corner. You should now see your new picture displayed there. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in. Sometimes account updates take a moment to appear, and if you ever want to change it again, just repeat the same steps and upload a new image. That's how to set up a Lucidchart profile picture in just a few easy steps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.